Can't really see you, but.
Here you go with the black jokes again.
So I'm here. I'm here with somebody. Right here. You see her?
Yeah, he's touching my wig. Don't be showing everybody I got a wig.
We're Frankenmuth, Memorial Day.
Yeah, the reason why we're standing in this awkward position is because I'm afraid of heights and I refuse to remove myself from the doorway.
We're on a balcony. And she never told me about her fear of heights.
Yes, I did. You weren't listening. That was one of the first things I told you.
Probably wasn't. She was good. Like, she came out here, and then all of a sudden she ran inside. And
I tried.
it was like to the point of hyperventilating. I tried to calm her down. I touched her leg. She smacked my hand off. It's crazy, this balcony. It's just those couple pieces of wood that's holding this up.
Exactly.
Do you guys see the fireworks? Right here.
No, we're just dating. So stop.
We're dating. We're dating. Wait. Did you guys hear that?
No. We're kicking it.
Did you hear that? We're dating. We are now dating.
Yeah, we moved from the scale from kicking it to dating.
Isn't it crazy? We were literally just gonna. This is now going to be a vlog, and this wasn't even meant to be.
The scale goes from 1 to 10. Then if we get to 10, then we can go to the boyfriend-girlfriend stage. Then the boyfriend-girlfriend stage lasts for a long time, and it's another scale from 1 to 10. I'm going to break it all down for you.
She's going to have a diagram. She's going to be...
Yeah. So we're right now on scale 1 of the dating scale. We were at 3 earlier today, but now we're back at 2.